So, what we're going to be doing is a very short video on space for children. So, what we're going to be talking about is just about how the solar system moves and what the size of the planets and stuff like that. So, the first thing is, we're going to be talking about the Roche limit. What's the Roche limit? Well, the Roche limit is kind of like this. So, it goes around a whole planet like this. And say, for example, this is the Earth. This is the Earth, yeah. This is the comet. And it comes here. It breaks up into pieces, much smaller, and then rains down on the planet. But that has nothing at all to do with the solar system. It has all the stuff to do with the mass and gravitational pull of the planet itself. So, what would the sun do in that sense? So, that's like the sun up here. Right? A little it is. That's the sun. That's the Roche limit. That's its atmosphere. Right. This is a planet heading towards it at breathtaking speed. And when it enters the sun's atmosphere, when it enters the Roche limit even, it shreds into big pieces that the sun will of course melt before touching it. But what would happen? And what would happen, say, the moon? The moon has a tiny Roche limit because it's so small, but let's talk about the size of the planet. Forget the Roche limit. Let's talk about the sizes. Well, the sizes depend. So, say Jupiter was the size of a basketball. This will be reduced to the size of, say, a grape. A grape. Yes. So I don't want to. Don't turn us into a moon of Jupiter. I mean, hitting a grape against a basketball. That's just cruel. So if the sun was a basketball, what would else be then? Is that species? It's the only small thing. How big is Jupiter anyway? Well, Jupiter is 1,659 times bigger than Earth and Venus. Talking about Venus, Venus is strange because it's the only planet that spins backwards, clockwise. So it goes backwards to all the other planets and the sun itself in the solar system. So, for example, the Venus is the same size as Earth, or similar. Well, it's very different there. It's the hottest planet in the solar system, in fact. It can melt lead. But Venus is Earth's evil sister. But Uranus smells of rotten eggs. Uranus, you heard me. Uranus smells of rotten eggs. And, of course, it lies on its side from probably nature make a powerful collision with a planet twice as mass as Earth. But what is the solar system? Well, the solar system was one of the oldest solar systems in existence, probably. It's 4.5 billion to 5 billion years old. Now, I'm not saying it is the oldest solar system, but it was one of the first created in the galaxy. But let's say the universe is big. When I say big, you look at your front garden, it's big. I don't mean like that. I mean like it's 90 billion kilometers in light years in diameter, and that's the only chunk that we can observe. And a light year is the distance that light can travel in a year. It takes 8 minutes and 33 seconds from light from the sun to reach Earth. Talking about the sun, well, everyone knows the sun is big, but it just stands 99.86% of the mass in our entire solar system. Now, Jupiter has 79 known moons. Well, the sun has the whole solar system watching it. That's at least 1 million billion times more than Jupiter's moon. So that's, if the sun is big, how big are the biggest stars in the universe? Well, that's for another video. Bye.